Hello. Good daw. Good day. We gonna visit Upa. Das ist ginugnahan. Makis kannst du mit die Blumen mitbringen? Dito kami sa grave ni Upa. With my man. Ganda ng mga halaman. Oh. Hello Upa. Hello Renate. This is Uma's sister. Uma. My parents, mother-in-law, sister.
Uma's daughter.
Upa's daughter. I gonna give the one for Renate or the Renate Hatsupil flower. It's dapat ganito ang sa Pilipinas. Pwede magtanim. Shout out Manila Memorial. Yung tinanim kong halaman tinanggal. Samantalang yung rose na may kapitbahay, sobrang laki, hindi tinanggal. Nakakadismaya lang. Pero sana pag tinaniman, hindi naman dapat ganito, okay lang. Kasi lupa naman na ng ganda.
Put a little water too, Renate too.
Yeah. Renate good plants, han. Nice plants. Lot of flowers.
But the suns have been here lately.
Oh, maybe we can give the one so.
Let's go, Upa.
Okay. Yeah, Hatsupil Renate plant.
Renate has more
Yeah, so.
flowers at the moment. Upa has smaller ones. You're gonna share them anyway.
Say hello to Tatay Upa. Mabait si Upa. He is very nice.
Renate would also have liked you when she would still be alive.
Upa always say to me, "Oh, Juicy, you eat. Hast du große stand?"
Ja, Honey, vergiss nicht. Opa hatte keinen Bauch.
I remember. Barum hat Upa gisag summer. Sabi gross baus? Ani?
I think so.
Upa sinabi niya sa akin, Juicy, you have gross.
Opa had no big.
Siya raw ay wala raw siyang chan.
Oh.
Bill. Diba guys, ang ganda ng dito puro flowers.
Poor, there's one not taken care of.
Yeah. Maybe it's
I
far
think
away.
they have a sign there.
Ang ganda ng nila. Pwedeng lagyan ng halaman. Dapat ganun naman talaga kasi binili mo na yung lot. Dapat kahit man lang maliliit na halaman, okay lang. Pwede nang itanim. Huwag nang tanggalin. Yung tinanim ko nung July, yung spider plant na tinanim ko, naku, kinanggal ng Manila Memorial ng mga trabahador. Samantalang merong rose doon na napakalaki, hindi tinanggal. Irereklamo ko talaga yan. Kung hindi nila ibalik or pag tinanggal ulit yung halaman na tinanim ko, nako, sasabihin ko, o sige, ibalik nyo yung pera at ako ililipat na lang ng ibang memorial na pwedeng taniman. Okay naman yung ganito lang eh. Nabanggit ko lang guys, shout out Manila Memorial. Dapat ganyan. Okay naman eh, kahit mga ganyang halaman. Hindi naman nakakapangit ng view. Pangit nga ang view na walang.
There's one more sign.
Yeah. Because honey, in Manila Memorial, Tata, I told you already. I have the spider plant plant.
Yeah.
I plant spider plant. And then they take away, honey.
So here it's normal.
Yeah, they showed also in Manila Memorial. It's okay, the aloe plant.
You talk to them.
I gonna talk to them because
You should have talked to them. If that's them who take away or somebody else.
the other where is that? The other grave did not take away the
Yeah,
rose.
honey, maybe that was somebody who take it away. Not them, but somebody else.
Okay.
You don't know.
Now we're going to grocery for Oma. Busy ang namin ngayong Sunday. Guys, this is my favorite sunbrele. Sunglass. Yayamanin. Yayamanin. Joke only, hindi yan yayamanin. Pero favorite ko. Mukhang mas maganda. Ito ang ganda ng niya. Ang daming punong kahoy. We go a little honey. That house. What is that camping? Camping area?
It was from the kindergarten, from Wald Kindergarten. I mean, the children are mostly in the woods, going around and not in the house. That's only when there's heavy rain.
For visiting or what? They need.
When there's heavy rain or when they have things they can put inside.
So, it always open or the?
No, it's locked.
How they can go inside if locked?
You break inside.
Huh? You need to break?
Yeah.
This is the church from
The
Danish
Minority Church.
Danish Minority Church. Sometimes we go there with my parents-in-law. Ito yung camping. What is this? Camping honey?
That's not camping, that's from the kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
There you see the completely burned.
Where? Nasunog daw pala to last.
Ah.
When does happen? Oh my God.
About 1 week ago.
Sa
I think last Monday or Tuesday they break inside here, then they burn it. You see, they make kapuri.
Shade.
That's for the children. I don't know why somebody think he can destroy such thing for children.
Somebody destroyed, guys. Para sa mga sa mga kinders playing or what?
That's a kindergarten.
They can play or plant.
When it's raining, then they can stay here. They can have possible to eat here or so.
I'll see.
And then they go inside the wood for the normal day. Here they only pack their things or when it's heavy rain.
Ang daming shoes. But we is still not good or nahan. That area.
not today. We don't have time. Later.
Okay guys, have a nice weekend. Blessed weekend. Stay safe and healthy. What you say, honey?
God bless. Ingat.
Salamat! Ingat kayong lahat. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.